to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I made this very potent oil. This oil is the rosemary and clove oil. You're going to be seeing it in the next slide. I'm going to be showing you how to make it. It's very easy to make and it's very, very effective. Yeah, I've applied some on my hair already. So guys, sit back and while you watch how I make this very potent and effective oil. It's so good. Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this oil, which is the rosemary and clove oil. So what you need for this is your rosemary, your cloves, and of course your extra virgin oil, extra olive virgin oil. Yes, so this right here, this combination right here is very good. Make sure to watch this video to the end to see how I made this oil. It's very easy to make and it's very, very effective. Yeah, so over here the next thing I did was to blend the clove and the rosemary together. I blended it roughly. Yeah, this right here is very good for your hair, guys. It will grow your hair. It's also an antioxidant. It fights dandruff and also soothes dry scalp. Yeah, it makes your hair stronger as well. So the next thing I'm going to do here, like I said, you need your Goya extra virgin oil. It might not be Goya, any kind of extra virgin oil you have at home, please make sure to use it, but make sure it's extra virgin oil you are using. Yes, don't use any oil, use extra virgin oil. Yes, so I've set aside the oil I'm going to use for this, and of course the blended cloves and rosemary. So the next thing is to get your pots and pour the oil in the pot, and also pour your mixture of cloves and rosemary bit by bit, and make sure the oil is not very hot because we don't want to fry this. You just put it on low heat and you keep stirring. You make sure to stir so it doesn't get burnt. Then the next thing you do is to pour it into a glass jar and cover for at least 24 hours. Guys, please don't skip this part. Cover for at least 24 hours. You can cover it for as long as 48 to 72 hours. Yes, but make sure to keep this for at least 24 hours. So this was after 48 hours. I'm going to strain this. Yeah, this oil, guys, please make sure to make this oil for your hair. You can use it on both your relaxed and natural hair. You can even use it on your kids' hair. This is natural, it's very good, and the fragrance is amazing. Imagine inhaling something as natural as this. You know, you are sure and you know that you are not inhaling chemicals. This is very good. This is very good. It controls hair loss, and most importantly, it grows your hair. It grows your hair. Yeah, this is very good. It takes less than 10 minutes to make. This oil right here takes less than 10 minutes to make, and it's very affordable as well, because I got the extra virgin oil, the 250 ml for 3,000 naira. I got the cloves for 500 naira and the rosemary for 500 naira, and I did not use everything. Yeah, so this cost me less than 4,000 naira. And you're going to see the quantity I got at the end. This is very good. Just watch this step by step how I made this oil. And this oil, like I said, is very good. It grows your hair very well, very, very well. It grows the hair, it fights dandruff, it soothes dry scalp, and makes your hair stronger. Please guys, don't sleep on this oil. This is very, very good. Don't sleep on it. Yes, that's it guys. So once I was done here, I covered it. You may also want to turn some into a bottle so it will be a lot easier for you to apply on your hair, just like I'm doing. Yeah, you use a funnel so you don't spill the oil everywhere. So guys, yeah, that's it. The oil is ready. You can see the quantity I got. Yes guys, so that's the end of today's video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next. Bye guys.